In this video, we're going to take a look at the recording studio within Google Vids. So over here on our insert button bar, we're going to take a look at recording and we're going to take a look at scripts. Now before we enter the recording studio, we're actually going to take a look at the script editor. And what this allows you to do is put in a script or what you want to say while you're recording the video. I think this could be great for students because they'll have a teleprompter that will display their script to them so they can still look at the camera while reading the script or what they're going to say during this video. So I have a script here that I'm just going to paste in. And now that I have my script there, you'll notice I have this record myself option. This record button and this record myself option do the same thing that allows you to enter the recording studio. So I'm going to click record myself and notice I have some options. I can record just the camera, which would just be me. I can record the screen and the camera, so it would allow me to demonstrate something on the screen while a video of me is shown. I can record just the screen with no video of me, and I can just do a voiceover. So if I have a video that I've created and it's saved in my drive and now I want to add a voiceover to it, I can do that with just the voiceover option. So we're going to use the camera option, and once you see we are in the recording studio, you'll see because we had that script entered ahead of time, we see the teleprompter immediately pop up. But let's take a look at some of the other things that we have available to us within the recording editor. For the teleprompter, you have two options. You can do a rolling scroll, so it will automatically scroll as you are reading through the text, or you can scroll it manually if you prefer. You can also change the size of the text, so you can make it smaller, you can make it bigger. You can also change how fast it scrolls, and you have an option to edit it. But remember, if you edit the script, it's going to take you out of the recording studio back to the script editor in order to make those changes. So you can, again, we chose just camera, but you can also make changes here. So we could do camera and the screen, we could change to audio and the screen, or we can just do audio, all right within the within the video recorder. I can choose to show or hide the script. And I can also turn on the camera blur if I don't want the background to be showing, or I can change my microphone or camera settings. So let's see how the teleprompter works as I am when I do the recording in the recording studio. This is my script. This is what I will say during the scene. Watch as the teleprompter scrolls as I am reading. We can redo that video, we can preview the video, or we can insert it. We'll go ahead and insert this video, and you'll see it then display on that particular scene in your Google Vids option. Once we get it on the scene, you'll notice that it kind of took up the whole scene, but we can also make it as small or as big as we want. And then once we have the video placed where we want, we can move it wherever we want to on that particular scene. We can change the animation. We can edit the sound associated with that scene. We can look at some playback options. So if I wanted it to start or end at a particular time, I can edit, or I can even loop it if I wanted to. And we also have some other formatting options, changing where it is located, adding a drop shadow or some alt text. All of those things are available. Now remember, if I wanted to just, like maybe I didn't get started right away and I want to trim out some of the beginning or some of the end, we can absolutely do that by clicking and dragging on the timeline down here to do that. One other thing that I wanted to show you as far as a video recording, it is possible, let's go back to this one, it is possible to insert just a placeholder, and the video placeholder will actually give you a little background. So if you want, instead of just the square rectangle that normally your videos play in, you could put that there, and then again you would have the ability to move that, and we can either select a video or we can go into the recording studio again and record that video here, and then that video would be show in this shape rather than just a rectangle shape for a video. So as you can see, you have some different recording options when it comes to recording a video within Google Vids.